The 2010 to 2012 Aston Martin Rapide. After more than 3 years of speculation, the English coach builder Aston Martin unveiled the Rapide, their first four-door sedan in the supercar maker's lineup. The Rapide's engine is the venerable 6.0 Liter V12 lifted directly from the Aston Martin DB9, and makes the exact same 470 HP and 443 pound-feet of torque as the coupe. The fat four-door goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 188 miles per hour. The Rapide's power plant is mated to a 6-speed Touchtronic 2 automatic transmission, which offers the ease of a traditional automatic via the push buttons mounted on the dash or a much sportier manual transmission mode with the wheel-mounted paddle shifters. According to the automaker, there is a real sense of proportion with this car, akin to a tailored suit. The new double grille gives more presence on the road, while the iconic signature side strake has been lengthened through to the rear doors to enhance its lateral proportions in a subtle, yet elegant way. The car's purity makes it look right from every angle. Updated January 14, 2011, Aston Martin will be launching a series of innovative new films designed to showcase the marque's four-door Rapide. Part 1 is now ready for your viewing enjoyment. Updated January 20, 2011, Aston Martin has released today the second part of their new promotional series of films featuring the Rapide sedan. The new video is called True Power Should Be Shared, and it's even more impressive than the first part, so enjoy. Updated January 27, 2011, the third, and a little Bond-esque, episode of the new Rapide promotional film has been revealed by the company. Its message, "Time is precious. Share it wisely" in the new four-door Rapide. Yes, Aston, we believe everyone should get a turn in the Rapide. Why not send us one and we'll give it a go? Check out the video to see what we mean. Read more on the Aston Martin Rapide after the jump. Exterior and interior. In regards to its exterior design, the Rapide has remained pretty much faithful to the concept version revealed in 2006 at the Detroit Auto Show. It features a new polished alloy upper and lower grille, new front lights with a single lens bi-xenon headlight, side strakes housing the side LED indicators, a pillarless side glass, and standard uniquely styled 20 inches wheels. The interior gets a dashboard and controls that are ergonomically designed to provide the driver with all the information needed. A new front seat design, plus rear heating and air conditioning controlled via a rotary dial located between the front seats is also featured on the model. The entertainment is ensured by 2 LCD screens integrated into the back of the front seat, a 6 DVD multi-changer, integrated into the boot compartment, and a standard Bang & Olufsen B-Sound Rapide audio system. The engine, the Aston Martin Rapide, is powered by a hand-built 6.0 Liter V12 engine that delivers a total of 470 HP and 443 lb-ft of peak torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. The engine is mated to a specifically tuned 6-speed Touchtronic 2 automatic transmission and sprint the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds on its way out to a top speed of 188 miles per hour. Prices: the Aston Martin Rapide is on sale at a price of $199,950. The competition: the list of luxury sedans on the automotive industry is quite long and includes models such as the Porsche Panamera, Jaguar XJ, and the BMW 7 Series. The Panamera is offered with a choice of V6 and V8 engines with power ranging from 300 to 500 bhp depending on the trim level. The Jaguar XJ is offered with a 5.0 Liter V8 engine, in both a naturally aspirated and a supercharged version. Its output will range from 385 horsepower to 510 horsepower. The BMW 7 Series will be available with 3 gasoline and 2 diesel variants, with power ranging from 245 HP to 407 HP. These vehicles are all worthy competitors, but there is just something about the Aston Martin that screams exclusivity, and the price tag reflects that. Love it. Impressive design, perfect handling, Bang & Olufsen sound system leave it pricier than competitors. Not enough rear room, poor rear visibility. Press release: the elegant Rapide, functional yet luxurious, provides space for up to 4 adults combined with an engaging driving experience synonymous with all Aston Martins. As the marque's first production 4-door sports car, Rapide encapsulates core values of power, beauty and soul. 4 swan wing doors provide access to cosseting sports seats both front and rear, bestowing occupants with ample accommodation. A 301-liter luggage compartment affords generous space for belongings for all 4 passengers, whether they be sports bags or indeed, sets of skis, creating an Aston Martin which can be enjoyed on any occasion, anytime, anywhere. Rapide's rear environment has been intelligently packaged to create a space where passengers feel a part of the driving experience with clear views to the front and sides. Comfort and support is supplied in the form of 2 hand-trimmed individual seats and a personal face-level heating and air conditioning system. Aiding the practicalities of everyday use, the luggage compartment features a movable bulkhead to permit access from the rear cabin, while the rear seats fold flat at the touch of a button to create a flat loading space, increasing the luggage compartment from 301 liters to 750 liters. At the heart of every Aston Martin lies an evocative engine providing effortless power and torque. Rapide features a hand-built 6.0 liter V12 engine producing 470 bhp, 477 PS, 350 kilowatts, with peak power being delivered at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 600 Nm, 443 lb-ft, peak torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. A specifically tuned 6-speed Touchtronic 2 automatic transmission features as standard, allowing the driver to change gear automatically or manually via the steering column-mounted magnesium paddles. First shown in 2006 in concept form at the Detroit Auto Show, the Rapide project received an immediate green light from Aston Martin's new shareholders in mid-2007 following the sale of the marque by the Ford Motor Company. In a little over 2 years, Aston Martin's design and engineering team have delivered a new car from the ground up. Rapide has been developed from the VH architecture platform, which already forms the backbone to Aston Martin's critically acclaimed lineup, the DBS, DB9 and Vantage range. Chief Executive, Dr. Ulrich Bez said, "Rapide is the culmination of the Aston Martin range of sports cars, a car that seals the revival of a truly admired marque. There is now an Aston Martin for every taste and for every use." With Rapide, the entire family can enjoy their Aston Martin together in unison, in an invigorating yet comfortable environment, sitting low, with plenty of visibility from every seat and with new levels of comfort, refinement and entertainment. Director of Design, Marek Reichman, who led the in-house design team which penned the Rapide, said, "Like a racehorse standing still, you can see its power and elegance. The shape of Rapide's rear haunches are muscular, conveying the power that lies beneath, while its low stance produces a powerful look. There is a real sense of proportion with this car, akin to a tailored suit." The new double grille gives more presence on the road, while the iconic signature side strake has been lengthened through to the rear doors to enhance its lateral proportions in a subtle, yet elegant way. The car's purity makes it look right from every angle. First deliveries of the Rapide will commence early in 2010 and will be available globally through Aston Martin's 125-strong dealership network. Pricing will be confirmed at the Frankfurt show. Aston Martin Rapide design. Instantly recognizable as an Aston Martin, the Rapide assumes its extra doors gracefully to visually remain every bit a sporting coupe as its sister models. The 4 swan wing doors open up and out at 12 degrees, avoiding scuffs and scratches when parked next to a raised walkway, while serving the dual purpose of allowing easier access to the front and rear cabin. The opening angle of the doors has been increased to 70 degrees to allow easy ingress and egress. Front on, the new polished alloy upper and lower grille adorn the Rapide to give it presence on the road, while the new front lights house a single lens bi-xenon headlight with innovative light tube sidelights, subtly distinguishing the Rapide to other road users. Like a racehorse standing still, you can see its power and elegance. The shape of Rapide's rear haunches are muscular, conveying the power that lies beneath, while its low stance produces a powerful look. Adding to the sense of proportion, Rapide's low roof line combined with uniquely styled 20-inch wheels contribute to its sporting stance, and the iconic side strake, housing the side LED indicators, is elongated to meet the rear doors. The pillarless side glass helps convey Rapide's coupe lines. The front and rear window choreography has been designed to permit the absence of a visible B-pillar to unclutter the curve line of the doors from front to back, creating a seamless glass-to-glass window frame. Contributing to Rapide's interior comfort, the side glass will rise up further into the window sill when the car is driven at speed, cancelling out wind noise, and the glass is laminated to improve noise insulation. Strong rear haunches hint at the power that lies beneath, creating the classic Aston Martin sports car silhouette. The wing mirrors have been specifically designed to emerge from the door, giving the driver optimum visibility through the front corner glass. At the rear, a practical tailgate provides access to the 301-liter luggage space, flanked by the signature Aston Martin C-shaped tail lamps, each housing 360 LEDs. Echoing the beauty of the exterior, Rapide's interior welcomes all occupants to an exquisitely hand-crafted and spacious cabin. To the front, the familiar dashboard and controls are ergonomically designed to provide the driver with all the information needed to extract the very best from the car. The Rapide boasts a new front seat design, giving a sporting feel, supporting the occupant when driving spiritedly and providing high levels of comfort during more leisurely journeys. The double-edged stitch design enhances the visual impact of the seat, alluding to the attention to detail and hand craftsmanship. Heated and optional cooled seats feature with two centrally mounted rotational dials, one at the front and one at the rear, offering fingertip control to all passengers. Both rear passengers are treated to their own individual heating and air conditioning, operated independently from the front system. Controlled by a singular rotary dial in front of a digital display, two directional air vents channel air to the upper body, serving to heat or cool occupants quickly and effectively, while air is also channeled separately to the footwells. The rear heating and air conditioning can also be controlled via the rotary dial located between the front seats, giving the driver full control. Aston Martin engineers chose to integrate an electronic park brake into Rapide, saving space to the side of the seat and creating an uncluttered center console. A revised Bluetooth microphone is located above the driver's head, improving sound pickup from the driver's voice to give crystal clear conversations. The long swooping front center console continues all the way through to the rear, seamlessly linking the front environment to the rear, thus creating a sense of involvement for the rear passengers. Large storage binnacles set between both the front and rear seats provide ample space to store CDs, games, and keep valuables from view. Two individually appointed sports seats form the rear environment of the Rapide. Aston Martin's design and engineering team paid special attention to creating a space that is cosseting, giving both passengers an equally sporting feel to that of the driver, while also providing passengers as much forward and side visibility as possible. Forward visibility has been optimized through intelligent profiling of the B-pillar and front seats to give occupants a clear view of the road ahead. Despite the low, sleek coupe appearance, adequate leg and head room accommodates adults and children in comfort. Rear passengers can benefit from the optional Aston Martin Rear Entertainment System. Two LCD screens are seamlessly integrated into the back of the front seat headrests, optimally positioned at eye level. A 6-DVD multi-changer, integrated into the boot compartment, provides hours of entertainment with sound being delivered via wireless headphones or through the standard Bang & Olufsen B-Sound Rapide audio system, so however long the journey, passengers will be treated to a rich audiovisual experience. Should the passengers have different taste in entertainment, whether it be a DVD, a games device, or simply listening to an MP3 player, the screens can be operated independently combined with wireless headphones. An infrared remote control is supplied to control the video and sound from the comfort of the seat, continuing the successful brand partnership between Bang & Olufsen and Aston Martin, who share similar values in design and craftsmanship. Rapide is fitted as standard with the 1000W BioSound Rapide, a bespoke sound system tailored to the Rapide. 15 speakers have been optimally located throughout the cabin to deliver the finest sound quality naturally associated with Bang & Olufsen. The famous Danish audio specialists skilled tonmeisters worked closely with Aston Martin's acoustic engineers during the entire development of Rapide to create a soundstage that cannot be localized to any particular speaker and delivering notes that are precise to the instrument played or the vocal sung. Turning on the BioSound Rapide, the occupants are greeted with a sense of theater as the two acoustic lenses rise silently from the dashboard. Acoustic lens technology (ALT) enables a wide 180 degrees horizontal dispersion of high frequencies. The technology prevents the loss of critical sound and gives listeners an improved sense of space. ALT allows sound to be focused within the car depending on who is inside. In auto mode, BioSound Rapide uses sensors on the seatbelts to determine how many people are in the car and their location, and will adjust the soundstage for the optimum sound experience. Manual override options feature for driver, focus sound solely on the driver, front, focus on 2 front passengers, rear, 2 rear passengers, and all-round, all 4 passengers. The speaker grills are formed from a single piece of aluminium and integrate seamlessly into Rapide's interior, dispersing sound equally to all passengers. A microphone located behind the rear view mirror continually monitors ambient noise to adjust volume settings to compensate. The result of this leading technology creates an unparalleled automotive audio experience. The 2 rear seat backs effortlessly fold flat at the touch of a button to produce an increased luggage area, creating 750 liters of boot space, an additional 449 liters over when the seats are in the upright position. Well appointed, the boot space is hand-trimmed with a carpet floor and 4 iridium anodized runners and tread plates. Increasing the versatility of the rear luggage compartment, a divider can be raised or lowered to create a separate area accessible from the back seats should rear passengers require access to their luggage during the journey. For customers with young children, ISOFIX attachment points feature is standard, and Aston Martin will be offering approved child seats specifically for the Rapide. Protecting passengers in the event of an accident, a total of 8 airbags are strategically located throughout the cabin, giving peace of mind to all passengers in all driving conditions. Restraint sensors around the vehicle help Rapide decide not only which airbag to deploy but also how aggressively, depending on the severity of impact. Seatbelt pretensioners are fitted to both front and rear seats, and rear passengers are protected with individual head protection airbags, ensuring that Rapide is one of the safest sports cars on the road. The Rapide is built in a new state-of-the-art 23,000 square meter manufacturing facility in Graz, Austria. Utilizing the same modern technology as the global headquarters in Gaydon, England, and combining hand craftsmanship, the Rapide is hand-built to Aston Martin's usual exacting standards. Customers will be able to visit the facility as part of the Aston Martin experience, where specialists are able to guide and help customers specify their Rapide with over 2.5 million different combinations of paint, options and finishes available from Aston Martin's core options list. Aston Martin Rapide Performance. Like all Aston Martins, the Rapide has undergone the marque's strict and rigorous testing program to ensure the required levels of quality, durability, performance and dynamics are met. Around 50 prototypes were built, all designed to be subjected to the very toughest tests. For example, hot weather testing took place in Death Valley, USA and Kuwait, Middle East, exposing the car to temperatures in excess of 50 degrees Celsius, while cold weather assessments in Sweden and in a cold testing chamber saw prototypes subjected to -40 degrees Celsius. High-speed testing was conducted at the famous Nardo Proving Ground in Italy, while dynamics were honed at the Nürburgring, Germany, where prototypes were relentlessly run for 8,000 kilometers on the Nordschleife to test all components, pushing them to the very limits. The Rapide is a sports car, a thoroughbred which can be enjoyed by 4 people in unison. Aston Martin engineers have spent thousands of hours tuning suspension, throttle maps, tires, brakes and steering to create a car that, while practical, also provides a dynamically engaging drive. Despite the extra versatility, the low roof line, and therefore low center of gravity, makes Rapide feel like an agile coupe. Ian Menards, product development director, said, "We have learned so much with the development of the current Aston Martin range, and Rapide has really benefited from this knowledge. Our prototypes have been so close to production specification that we are able to really understand the car from very early on in the development process." Rapide is about the journey, and we always intended to combine the ethos of the DB9 and package it for up to 4 people in comfort but preserve the excitement of driving an Aston Martin sports car. 6.0 Liter V12 engine, 470 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 600 Nm at 5,000 revolutions per minute, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, 188 miles per hour. The front mid-mounted 6.0 Liter V12 engine, which sits at the heart of Rapide, produces 470 bhp, 477 PS, 350 kilowatts, with peak power being delivered at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 600 Nm, 443 lb-ft, and peak torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. The resultant 0 to 60 miles per hour time is 5.1 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.3 seconds. The engine designed and developed by Aston Martin engineers at Gaydon, England is hand-built in a dedicated facility in Cologne, Germany. The use of lightweight materials has resulted in the Rapide's projected weight gaining only 190 kg over its DB9 sibling, delivering a target curb weight of 1950 kg. This figure is achieved through the use of Aston Martin's vertical-horizontal (VH) architecture, a platform technology derived from the aerospace industry employing aluminium which is bonded rather than welded to create a lightweight and ultra-stiff chassis. Despite the Rapide being 290 mm longer than DB9, it was a key objective to maximize the structural rigidity, accounting for the increased length in wheelbase. The Rapide's structure would require 28,000 Nm of force to be twisted through 1 degree. This torsional rigidity is a key element in delivering the excellent dynamic feel by optimizing wheel-to-road contact and minimizing vehicle shake and vibration. Aside from the front doors and bonnet, all of Rapide's body panels are new. The front wings are formed from composite while all 4 doors and roof are pressed aluminium and the rear quarter panels are steel. Ian Menard said, "Dynamically the Rapide feels every bit as agile as the DB9. I have personally experienced the car being driven at high speed on the Nürburgring, and was enormously impressed with its capabilities." The standard 6-speed Touchtronic 2 automatic transmission has been calibrated to ensure that the additional weight of Rapide has had a minimal impact on fuel economy, emissions and performance. Derived from the same transaxle unit that was developed for the DB9, the system has been substantially retuned to accommodate driving and handling characteristics of the Rapide with a final drive ratio of 3.46:1. System functionality is consistent with that on the DB9, with park, reverse, neutral, and drive modes selected via fascia-mounted controls. When in drive mode, pulling either of the leather-trimmed magnesium alloy paddles mounted on the steering column will activate Touchtronic mode, enabling the driver to control gear shifts via the paddles. Touchtronic mode is also accessible directly on engine startup. Alternatively, the drive mode can be selected at any time by pressing the D control on the center console, engaging a fully automatic mode which will select the most appropriate gear for the speed and driving conditions automatically. The system also includes a sport mode, activated by a button on the center console, which engages a more aggressive gear shift strategy as gear changes feel sharper and more forceful. Engine speed matching on downshifts is more aggressive, and in full automatic mode, upshifts occur at higher speeds. A new saddle design fuel tank has been integrated to hold 90.5 liters, enabling Rapide to deliver a range of over 300 miles without reducing the car's sporting dynamics, and serves the dual purpose of a flat loading space in the luggage compartment. Aston Martin Rapide Control. As the culmination of the Aston Martin range, Aston Martin's engineers have gained much experience and learning from the development of the DBS, DB9 and Vantage range of sports cars. This wealth and breadth of experience has all been channeled into Rapide to produce a 4-door with unrivaled sports car characteristics. The basic ingredients have already been proven: the powerful engine, the lightweight yet stiff understructure, the honing in the toughest environments around the world, and the exhaust note which is always evocative no matter which model. Applying these characteristics to Rapide alongside a car which is a practical 4-door, was the engineer's greatest challenge to date. The result is a car that feels every bit a sports car as its siblings, yet provides versatility in a beautiful package. With the 6-speed Touchtronic 2 automatic gearbox mounted to the rear of the car on the transaxle, the Rapide's weight balance is near perfect at 51:49, contributing to its outstanding dynamics. This provides the driver with an engaging drive on twisty roads, and a refined, relaxed and effortless drive on motorways and main roads. The 20-inch wheels are clad with Bridgestone Potenza S001, front 245/40 R20, rear 295/35 R20, but specifically for Rapide, feature a taller sidewall to help dial out vibration and contribute to a quieter cabin. For the first time on an Aston Martin, Rapide features a dual-cast brake system. The discs are made from two materials, cast iron and aluminium. The new technology provides dynamic advantages in the form of reduced unsprung mass with a brake that is 15 to 20% lighter than a standard cast iron brake. Using both cast iron and aluminium takes advantage of the heat resistance provided by cast iron and the weight-saving properties of aluminium. In addition, greater braking performance, reduced corrosion, and less wear are all benefits associated with the Rapide dual-cast brake system. Rapide's brake system features a new braking module delivering more discrete interventions and provides improved functionality for existing features as well as the new hydraulic brake assist (HBA), which provides assistance in emergency braking situations. The hydraulic brake assist function identifies when the driver requires maximum braking performance, from the speed at which the brake pedal is depressed, and automatically boosts the brake pressure up to the ABS control threshold for as long as the driver keeps the brake pedal pressed down. As a result, stopping distances can be substantially reduced to take full advantage of its extremely rigid platform. The Rapide features adaptive damping system (ADS), first seen on the DBS, which uses two separate valves to set the dampers to 5 different positions, allowing instant adjustment of the car's ride and handling characteristics. The ADS automatically alters the suspension settings to ensure the driver has high levels of control at all times, with the ability to respond instantly to different road conditions and driver inputs. The Rapide's adaptive damping system perfectly captures the car's sporting character, ensuring that stiffer dampers are available for better handling and control when the car is being driven enthusiastically, without compromising ride comfort during normal driving conditions. A designated sport mode automatically sets all dampers to their firmest positions, making it ideal for spirited driving. The Dynamic Stability Control (DSC) system has been specifically tuned for Rapide with emphasis on its sporting characteristics. A two-stage DSC system allows the driver to tailor the level of electronic intervention according to the type of driving. In default mode, the system is set to on, which will limit any tire slip in difficult conditions, and provide the maximum amount of security possible without being intrusive. Holding the DSC button for 5 seconds will disengage the system completely, allowing a pure dynamic experience. Aston Martin Rapide specification: body 4-door body style with 4 individual seats. Extruded bonded aluminium VH body structure: aluminium, magnesium alloy and composite body. Extruded aluminium door side impact beams. Single bi xenon headlamps with integrated LED side lights and direction indicators. LED rear lamps and side repeaters. Engine all alloy quad overhead cam. 48 valve 5935 cc V12 front mid mounted engine, rear wheel drive. Fully catalyzed stainless steel exhaust system with active bypass valves. Compression ratio 10.9, 1 max power 350 kilowatts, 470 bhp, 477 ps at 6000 revolutions per minute. Max torque 600 newton meters, 443 pound-feet at 5000 revolutions per minute. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.3 seconds. Max speed 188 miles per hour, 303 kilometers per hour. Predicted transmission: rear mid-mounted Touchtronic 2.6-speed gearbox with electronic shift-by-wire control system. Alloy torque tube with carbon fiber propeller shaft. Limited slip differential. Final drive ratio 3.46, 1 steering rack and pinion. Servotronic speed-sensitive power-assisted steering, 3.0 turns lock-to-lock column tilt and reach adjustment. Wheels and tires: 20 inches alloy wheels. Front Bridgestone Potenza 245/40ths R20. Rear Bridgestone Potenza 295/35ths R20. Suspension: front independent double wishbone incorporating anti-dive geometry, coil springs, anti-roll bar and monotube. Adaptive dampers: rear independent double wishbones with anti-squat and anti-lift geometry, coil springs, anti-roll bar and monotube. Adaptive dampers. Adaptive damping system (ADS). Brakes: front dual cast brake discs 390 mm diameter with 6 piston calipers. Rear dual cast brake discs 360 mm diameter with 4 piston calipers. Dynamic Stability Control (DSC), anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic brake force distribution (EBD), emergency brake assist (EBA), traction control, hydraulic brake assist (HBA), positive torque control (PTC), electronic park brake (EPB). Dimensions: length 5019 mm, 197.6 Width including mirrors 2140 mm 84.3. Height 1360 mm 53.5. Fuel capacity 90.5 liters. Curb weight 1950 kilograms. Target 4299 pounds. Interior full grain leather. Interior walnut fascia trim. Iridium silver center console. Outer finish and graphite inner finish. Auto dimming. Interior rear view mirror. Auto dimming. Interior rear view mirror with garage door opener. USA and Canada only. 1 electrically operated front seats. Memory front seats and exterior mirrors. 3 positions. Dual stage driver and passenger front airbags. Front occupant side airbags. Head protection airbags for front and rear occupants. Heated front and rear seats. Heated rear screen. Automatic front and rear temperature control. Organic electroluminescent (OEL) displays. LED map lamps and ambient lighting. Trip computer. Cruise control. Hard disk drive (HDD). Satellite navigation system. 1, 2 Bluetooth telephone preparation. 1 satellite radio system. USA only. Powerfold exterior mirrors. Front and rear parking sensors. Tire pressure monitoring. 1 alarm and immobilizer. Remote control. Central door locking and boot release. Battery conditioner tracking device. UK only. 3 boot mounted umbrella. In-car entertainment. 1000W Bang & Olufsen Biosound audio system with ICE power technology integrated. Apple iPod connector. 4 USB connector with waveform audio format WAF. Windows Media Player WMA and MPEG MP3 audio file compatibility. 3.5 mm auxiliary input socket options. Cooled front and rear seats. Twin screen rear seat entertainment system with 6-disc DVD player. Auxiliary input. Wireless headphones and remote control. Alternative fascia trim finishes: mahogany, piano black, bamboo, tamo ash, bird's eye maple, olive ash burl. Double apex alloy matching wood door trim color. Keyed steering wheel. Second glass key. Magnum silver rear lamp. Infills. Delete model badging. Delete protective tape. 20 inches alloy wheels with graphite finish. 20 inches alloy wheels with polished finish. Alternative brake caliper finish: black, red, silver. Personalized sill plaques. Auto dimming. Interior rear view mirror with garage door opener. Europe only. Alarm upgrade. Volumetric and tilt sensor. Tracking device. 1, 3 first aid kit. Ashtray and cigar lighter.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.